Iceberg Gym, back at y'all with another one. And this is a head-to-head matchup. The spicy garlic chicken roller at 7-Eleven versus the buffalo chicken roller at 7-Eleven. Now this spicy garlic chicken roller at 7-Eleven came out sometime January 2022. The buffalo chicken roller that 7-Eleven has been out for at least a decade, if memory serves correctly. The new item versus the classic item. I had to go to two different 7-Elevens for this. Because the 7-Eleven that had the spicy garlic one did not have the buffalo chicken roller. Now this is a Monterey Jack Taquito. I got that because it was a 3 for 3 deal, a 3 for 3 situation. But I'll toss that to the side. These are the spicy garlic ones, buffalo chicken roller ones. Since food does not live in a bubble, we're going to stack them up head to head. Now, how can you tell the difference? This is more of a browner color with the spicy garlic, and with the buffalo chicken roller, it's more of a orange kind of tone to it, like a Kraft macaroni and cheese type of tone. Now you can smell the garlicness of the spicy garlic. Buffalo chicken roller has its traditional kind of seasoned smell, if you will. 250 calories for the spicy garlic chicken roller, 190 calories for the buffalo chicken roller, so that's a factor. Same price, we can get it 3 for 3. Swiss cheese blend in the spicy garlic chicken roller, so I assume that's where the extra calories come from, since they look to be about the same size compared to the buffalo chicken roller. The buffalo chicken roller obviously has its buffalo spice, buffalo seasoning, chicken as well, and I've always been led to believe it had some hint of cheese in it. But I expect the cheese to be more prominent in the spicy garlic chicken roller, since they mentioned the Swiss cheese blend and it's more calories. Without further ado, let's get into this head-to-head comparison. Going in the buffalo chicken roller. Good stuff per usual, packed spicy meat. Juicy, tender. I'm happy with it. One of my favorite, yeah, it is one of my favorite, it is my favorite rolling food item at 7-Eleven. Really good. Cannot complain about it. Now, for the spicy garlic chicken roller. Going in. A different flavor, more savory, if you will. The spice is reduced, and you can taste some more creaminess, if you will, from the Swiss cheese blend. It's not hidden by the spicy garlic flavor. This is good. Noticeably reduced heat compared to the buffalo chicken roller, and that's fine. It's supposed to be. A different taste, be with the garlic, a more savoriness to it. And I think it might be better for the average consumer that doesn't really want to have that heat hit them as much, but enough spiciness. The Swiss cheese blend, good. It goes well with this, so it doesn't take away from the spicy garlicness. Something I get again, of course. Let me go back in on the classic buffalo chicken roller. Yep, definitely spicier. Definitely not as spicy. In a matchup, which one do I prefer? That's a really tough question. From a caloric perspective, I'm sure people will appreciate this buffalo chicken roll, if you will, even though it might be kind of hot. You may need a dipping sauce of some sort for it. I don't know. This one's more bearable, but you get about extra 60 calories for that. Some people might not want the extra 60 calories. But in terms of rolling meat, they're both good. I like the spicy garlic one as a change of pace. But usually when I go to 7-Eleven, I don't just get these. I might get a little small Italian sandwich or get another kind of roller, what have you. And I like that spiciness to contrast whatever else I'm getting. Now this one, spicy garlic, is spicy to some degree, but it's more about that garlic taste to it. Savory, enjoyable. Very, very hard to decide. But decide I must. If I was stuck with one, I go with the bolder flavor, less calories on top of that. You can always cool down a little bit with a dipping sauce, and then just you get to say you're adding up to these calories. But I picked the traditional buffalo chicken roller over the spicy garlic one. Nothing wrong with the spicy garlic one. I enjoy it, and I will get it again, no doubt. And if I'm at the 7-Eleven and they have both, I'll get a couple of each. But all things remain the same. I'm going to stick it out with the buffalo chicken roller. It was a close battle. But if I had to pick one, I did not have access to both. I needed something long term. I'm going to go with the buffalo chicken roller. But I'm glad that they had the spicy garlic one. It's definitely something I see getting again if I want something a little more savory, less heat, and I'll still get other items to go with it. So yeah, that's the verdict. I prefer buffalo chicken roller over the spicy chicken roller. Close. I like them both. But I'm still with the classic. Iceberg Jim out. Deuces.